incubators and acceleration. What is the newspaper articles are there? So that is, I will show the what are the basic newspaper articles, and after that, so what are the basic funding opportunities available in all over India. So, and next one is there are. And one thing to remember that there are more than 3,500 opportunities are there. So along in India, so that is they are providing some investment opportunities to the entrepreneurs. But it is not possible to me to give all types of list in this short span of the session. So as I collected some basic and most important funding opportunities are there. Just you need to go through that particular websites of that particular funding opportunities and search for how much of funding is required like this. So that is the actual presentation. And last one presentation is regarding the faculty point of view. So I'm going to discuss about what are the basic norms of the faculty. So that is the only thing I want to talk about the faculty point of view. So this is all about my presentation. So let us start the presentation. The first and foremost thing is we have a doubt whether what is an incubation, what is an accelerator. So here both are same. There are so many things are there. Both are same. So most of the persons thinking that accelerator incubations are both are same. But in fact, both are not same. Both are totally different in nature. But both are mainly joined at one point. That is an boost up to the entrepreneur's point of view. That is basically the funding opportunities. So now we are start our session with accelerator and incubation. Right. So before that, first one, if you open a Google and type incubators, accelerators word, so you will get more than 3,50,000 results. So that means, see, based on this number, 3,50,000 results, you can understand that what is the importance of incubators and accelerators in the Google search. So that is most of the people, especially the students or faculty or other persons, they're always searching about the opportunities. What are the basic opportunities are there for the setting up of an incubator or accelerators like that? So it shows the number shows that the prominent of the incubator and accelerator. So now we can start with the thing very simple and thing. What is an accelerator and what is an incubator? Just a moment. Uh, so somebody open the mic. Please mute. Great. So let us start with this slide. So what is an accelerator and what is an incubator? So very simple and guess there's no definitions, nothing is there. So only on 5 things is there. So once we focus on these 5 points, we can easily understand about what is an accelerator and what is an incubator. After that only we can enter into our actual theme of the topic, financial think tank. So in the accelerator and incubator, so it is funded by. So accelerators, the funding system comes from the existing company. So if any of the existing company wants to boost their business, they want to develop a new product or design a new product. So for that purpose, investment is required. For that purpose, sir, Durga sir, so much of.
Sir, you can continue, sir. You can unmute and continue. Sir, unmute, sir. Sir, IJR, sir. Sir, Raghavendra, sir. Sir, can you please unmute and speak, sir? Sir.
Right, sir. Right. So is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Right. So what is the understanding here is accelerators are for profit motive and incubators are non-profit. So accelerators is linked with the existing company, incubators are linked with the independent organizations, and there are so many funding organizations are there to help the incubators. So and next one is what is the aim is for scaling up. So already I said there is a boosting of the company's performance or the growth pattern. But in the case of incubator, it is purely on innovation. So it's purely on innovation. So whether the idea is good or bad, that doesn't matter. First, we have an idea and present that idea and get the fund and implement that idea. So after that result is whether it is a success or failure, that is another aspect. The first thing is you need to implement your idea into the practical oriented. And what is the time frame of the accelerator is it is very short period. So just in the case of only months only, because if you take a long term time, it is not useful. It is not the term as an accelerator. So that is a very short term time period is there. And in the case of the incubator, it is more than 1 year or sometimes more than 5 years also. So that is implementation of your idea takes more time. So that's the reason incubators are taking so much of time. That is a long term aspect. And next one is the focus. So accelerators focus on target company, legacy company target. That is target company. So if I am running a business, so I have one particular ideology to boost my business. So I have to identify one area and I want to invest on that area to increase my growth rate. So that is the company oriented aspect. So it is only target based. But in the case of the incubators, it is a larger number and less selective. So there are so many incubators are there. Whether it is not a huge investment is not required, very little bit investment is required. So that's the reason here the huge numbers are required. And next one, more employment opportunity. If the incubator is success in nature, so there is a generation of more employment opportunities are there. And next one is a creation. So accelerators is act as an alignment between startups. But in the case of an incubator, it is for co-creation. So it is a co-creation and it is an alignment between startups. So that means, so there is finally what we understand here is accelerators are for existing company, and if any new idea is there, that idea is somewhat related to a particular point, which can give a commercial advantage to the organization. But in the case of the incubator, it is an idea or the fresh idea. We have to implement that idea and test that idea whether it is success or failure. So it requires some capital. So that's the reason here incubators are there. Once it is success, we have to start our new company and provide more employment opportunities. That's the reason here the government of India also focusing on more number of incubator opportunities. That is, they almost spend 10 to 15,000 crores on incubators point of view. So that means if you have any idea, prepare the project for and submit that project for to the government. And if it is okay, and you can get a fund from the government and start your incubator. So that is the basic thing. And next one is, see, in this case, incubator and accelerators. So what is the primary identifiers and primary identifiers of incubator and accelerators? It is primary identifiers means it is a product or service. What is the guidance to form a product? So in the incubator point of view, the idea is related to a particular product, to design a product or design a service, which requires a seed funding. Seed funding is that is initial funding. That is before starting of any of the project, we have to require some we have to require some investment. We have required. So that means to conduct a research, to prepare, to design the particular product, to create a blueprint of the product. So that is the investment is required. So for that purpose, here the seed funding is there. Most of the incubators are not limelighting because of the seed funding, because they are not getting the seed funding. So and next one, angel investors, venture capitalists. So there are so many opportunities are there. The opportunities are there we can get from the incubator pointer. But in the case of the accelerators, it is purely focusing on rapid growth. It is purely focusing on సార్ వాళ్ళందరినీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి సార్, మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా అది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయమని చెప్పండి. మొత్తం అందరినీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయమని చెప్పండి. And in the case of accelerators, it is primarily focusing on the rapid growth. So growth means growth. Growth it is to be spent on short term, and we can get fruits in the long run. So it is only for the months aspect. So for this purpose, there are so much of guidance is there, so much of mentorship is also there. It is leads to the profitability of the organization. And next case, this is only one simple diagram is available in the internet. So what is the incubator and accelerator? So incubators and accelerators, the basic points are, so incubators are open-ended duration. So open-ended duration, there is no restriction. So it is 1 year or more than 5 years. So next one, typically is a fee-based, technical facilities available, physical space is also required, rolling admission is also there. And in the case of the accelerators, it is a typically growth-based, a fixed duration. That is a time frame is very much important in the accelerator point of view, and the seed funding is required. So, but both cases, the commonness of incubators and accelerators is training is required. So without training, without proper training, both are failed in nature. So that is training is required, mentoring is required, business support is required, and the selective topics are required. So selective topics means it is somewhat useful to the society aspect point of view. So there is a commonness between commonness among the incubators and accelerators. And next one, what are the basic things we need to consider when joining an accelerator or joining an incubator? Very simple things is, when we are joining in an accelerator, we have to mention the right time. Is it the right time or not? So that is very much important to us, because if we are stepping towards the accelerator, set up an accelerator system, but the time is not good to us. So suppose take an example of the COVID situation. In COVID situation, there are so many opportunities are there to so many persons, like in the case of some sanitizers or some case of medical equipments like that. So there are so many opportunities out there, but there are some losing opportunities to some of the organizations. So when we start a new company, it is related to the medical item and the health aspect. Yes, it is the right time to start our business, but it is not related to that particular aspect. So it is not a right time to start the product. So that is the right time is very much important. And next one is, how fast or slow are we going? Are you growing? So that means when I started a company, I want to see my company in the top position. So I want to accelerate my company into the fast mode or slow mode. So it totally depends on our own decision. So will you relocate? So what is the relocation means? That don't stick on only one place. We need to we are ready to relocate with the other person. So if the training facility is available to in some other place, just go to that particular training place and get trained yourself, trained yourself, and come back and you show your talent. So that is the accelerator point, the basic things we need to observe. And in the case of the incubators point of view, so right mentors is required. So that means incubator requires mentors. Why? Who are the mentors here?